my dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the concept of polymorphism, which is a most important part of the object-oriented programming. The polymorphism concept is derived from a multiple level of use. How the multiple methods can be used within our program. Poly means many, morpho means forms. Many forms. The word represents the many forms. Many forms means within one class the methods names are same, but their parameter list is different. According to the parameter list, the particular method is executed. So the benefit is that the user can write the multiple methods, multiple coding in different methods, and just by passing the parameters we can execute the value, we can execute the codes. That is the advantages over here. In Java, there are so many predefined methods are created by the Java designers, and these predefined methods also we can write. Here we can use the concept of overloading, Java method overloading. The meaning itself represents there is a multiple methods having the same name with a different code with different parameters. Note here, the methods, the more than one methods must be different parameters. If there is a one or there is a two or more methods having the same name, it will be not work. This will be display an error. So the concept of overloading represents to execute the multiple tasks, and another term is called overriding. Overriding implies that there is a predefined methods designed by the Java designers. We can use the same methods within our program by writing the same name. In this case, it will be give the priority to the local method. So that is called the overriding. So as the name implies, we can work with our local method. So polymorphism in Java takes using the reference to the parent class to an effect of the object to its child class. We may create a class horse by extending the animal class. That class might have implemented professional racing class. The horse class is a polymorph since it inherited the attribute of the both animal and professional racing class. Now we have discussed the overriding. Overriding means a child class can use the polymorphism concept to override the methods of its parent class. A parent class having a specific method's name, and here we have represented the same name within our own class, that allow the programmer to use the one of the method with a different way depending on which is invoked by the other object of the parent class. So this is called overriding. And overloading, the single method may have perform the different function depending on the context of its call. That is called the single method name might work in a different way depending on what argument we are passing to it. Say simple example is given here, draw, having triangle, rectangle and circle. Both are having all are having the draw method. Thank you.